Alright, this is the Makers Movement video advertisement. In this assignment, there'll be the class will be split up into groups of 3 to 4, and they'll be tasked to make a healthy lifestyle video lasting around 1 to 30 minutes, just to raise awareness on the importance of a healthy lifestyle and some tips on living a healthy lifestyle. It's the Creative Commons license for the site. We'll go through to the project overview. As you see here, the subheadings, year 7, subject areas and sub-area. Here have the syllabus areas, the audience and presentation, the end product, learning objectives, the addressing characteristics of meaningful learning, and the makers movement components. Here we just explain, and here's the references. And again, the makers movement. Go on to the project activities. You can see here that we have our lesson plans. Lesson 1 entails watching documentaries, some video advertisements, just some ideas for the students. Lesson 2, a research with some useful websites they can use to look. Lesson 3 is starting to learn about iMovie and starting to film. Lesson 4 is filming. Lesson 5 is editing. Lesson 6 is just to finish up all the filming, editing, making the end product all looking good. And lesson 7 is students will be showing year groups younger than them and getting feedback on their advertisement. Then there's just an about me, where here we are, a little bit about myself, an email, and that is about it for the website. Thank you for watching.